Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious beignets without any yeast, saving you time and effort. We'll start by gathering our simple ingredients. For the dry mix, you'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, and a half teaspoon of salt. For the wet ingredients, prepare 1/2 cup of milk, 1 large egg, and 2 tablespoons of melted butter. This combination ensures a fluffy, quick-to-make treat. Now let's get mixing. First, in a large bowl, whisk together your flour, baking powder, sugar, and salt until they are fully combined. In a separate, smaller bowl, gently whisk the milk, egg, and melted butter. Once both mixtures are ready, slowly pour the wet ingredients into the dry, stirring with a spoon or spatula. Mix until a soft, slightly sticky dough comes together, but avoid overworking it to keep the beignets tender. With your dough ready, it's time to shape and fry. Lightly flour your work surface and roll out the dough to approximately 1/4 inch thick. Next, use a knife or pastry wheel to cut the dough into 2-inch squares. Heat about 3 inches of vegetable oil in a deep pot to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully drop a few beignet squares into the hot oil, frying them for about 1 minute per side until golden brown and puffed. Do not overcrowd the pot. Once your beignets are beautifully golden, carefully remove them from the oil using a slotted spoon. Place them on a plate lined with paper towels to absorb any excess oil. While they are still warm, generously dust them with a good amount of powdered sugar. This classic touch adds the perfect sweetness. Serve your homemade, no-yeast beignets immediately to enjoy their light, fluffy texture and wonderful flavor. They are truly a delightful treat.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.